Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use bonus bet on your Bet365. Now if you want to use the bonus bet on Bet365 but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to use the bonus bet on Bet365, follow this step. First you need to check your bonus bet on a balance. To do so you need to simply install the Bet365 app on a device. So if you have already installed, then that's good. If you have not, you need to open App Store or Play Store on a device and you may install it from there. So after that you need to open Bet365 on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now after logging in, you need to go on the balance section on your profile and you have to see if there is any bonus bet available or not. Now if you want to place a bet using the bonus bet, then you need to select the bet or the sport or the event you want to place the bet on, and after that you need to add it to the bet slip. Now on the bet slip you will see the option of use bonus bet. So click on the option of use bonus bet and your bet will be automatically applied to the stake which you have kept it. So after that you need to confirm it. So if you have applied any bonus bet on your stake or the events, then you need to confirm it and bet it on it. So that's it. That's how you can use the bonus bet on Bet365. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.